Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode opens up a clinic. The three ninja turtles, Uthando, Umandla and Uphindile, are sitting or standing there at front desk. Uyahlekwa guys. Uthando then says, Uthando kamba manga wena. Uthando zenzi poza lona yazi. Where would he get the money to buy all of those fried cakes that he's been eating? Kuhlekwe. Uphindile then says, hey, hayi banja, bakhuluma ngomandla. Uzethu walks in. Umangele, she then says, yini ehlekisa kangaka? Uthando then says, hawu bakithi yini manje? Umatron uthe singahleki yini saze salithwala idombolo. Uzethu then says, na yikuthi ngiyazibuza why we not laughing over my HIV drive idea. Uphindile then says, hawu bakithi mphathi. Uthando then says, hi, there goes Miss HIV. Umandla then says, futhi. Uzethu then says, kusho ukuthini lokho? Umandla then says, sinomsebenzi omningi to do. Uyakwazi nawe lokho. Then when you want us to focus kule ndaba ye-HIV drive futhi. Now guys, uZethu in celebration of HIV Day, she wanted the clinic to do some sort of awareness, and she wanted the nurses nabo mandla to push le ndaba ye-HIV testing and whatnot. uZethu just feels like they're not taking her seriously. uZethu then says, abantu abayithathi serious lento yokutesta bafethu. They're just living with the virus without even knowing it. Uthando then says, yazi asikho ngempela isidingo sayo yonke lento ngoba it is no longer like before. La khona abantu bebeyisaba khona i-HIV. Uphindile then says, exactly. Uthando then says, back in uNkosi Johnson's time, la khona abantu bebenovalo nani. Like manje nje abantu sebeyazi nge-HIV. Bayakwazi ukuzivikela, bayakwazi ukuthi bazinakekele. Uphindile then says, bayaphila nje abantu. Uthando then says, asisayithathi serious lento. Angifuni ukuhamba amanga shame. Umandla then says, Thando, why are you so on point? The time when people were too afraid to disclose their HIV status is long gone. Abantu bayazikhulumela njengami so. Yabona nje siyahamba nayo kodwa siyaziphilela. Uphindile then says, yabona nje. uZethu then says, sihamba nayo. She's so shocked, like to say, what are you saying, Mandla? Are you saying you're also living with it? Uphindile then says, hayibo, awazi. Uthando then says, awazi ngomandla. Uphindile then says, hawu dala sisi. Uthando then says, indaba endala le. Yima-ke uthi wena eGoli bacabanga ukuthi thina eKZN sisaba i-HIV. Hayibo, thina sazi izinto eziserious kabi. O-COVID, o-lockdown, uzositshela nge-HIV. Hayibo, uphindile then says, kahleni bo. Umandla then says, Zethu uyokusiza udlalele kude kunami yabo. And then they all laugh. Uthando then says, uzokuthelela. Guys, the way Umandla is speaking so casual about it, even uZethu herself, she is surprised. But going back to what Uthando said, that people are no longer afraid of HIV like in Nkosi Johnson's time, maybe that's the issue, guys, because these days abantu are more afraid of Ubmita than anything else. Maybe we need to go back to playing those Nkosi Johnson videos so that people can be aware, bazivikele bandla, because yay. Anyway, next scene at the Shongwane household, Unomalanga is waiting for Unomfundo at gate like Ibo. They are preparing to go to school together. So then Unomalanga then says, Pa uvele waxosha nje onje kanjalo. Unomfundo then says, bekungathi ngiyanuka or something mngani. Unomalanga then says, wena wasuthini? Unomfundo then says, ngizothini? Vele ngahamba. Unomalanga then says, nagcina lapho ukhuluma. Unomfundo then says, lalela, futhi ngeke ngiphinde. Unomalanga then says, how? Oh, mhlambe he was high. You know how these boys get when they've been smoking. Now, guys, Unomalanga, Unomfundo actually, she confronted uSpha laphayana espaza ngasesitolo, telling him ukuthi noSpha, why are you doing this? Why are you not coming to school and whatnot? And listen, uSpha made a public spectacle of her. Wahlekisa ngaye, like to say, you're not my girlfriend, you're not my mother, you're not my sister. Pa ufunani lana. Don't come tell me what to do with my life. So Unomfundo is narrating the story of what happened to Unomalanga. Unomfundo then says, awuzwanga yini? Lo muntu wenze ingathi asazani noMalanga. Unomalanga then says, kanti niyazana yini? Unomfundo photo omambheke like to say, hayibo, what do you mean? Unomalanga then says, sengisho wena noSpha have never been that close. Pho yini ekwenza uxakeke ngempilo yakhe kanjena? Unomfundo then says, angazi mfethu, yikuthi nje ungumjida alright. Uyahlekisa futhi ebehlala nathi. Indaba wonke umuntu is making it a big deal that I care about him. Unomalanga just eyes her like to say, Unomfundo then says, how yini? Unomalanga then says, wena tshela mina. Unomfundo then says, ngikutshele ini? Unomalanga then says, uyamfuna uSpha. Unomfundo then says, hayibo, ungangibuza kanjani into efana naleyo? Unomalanga then says, uyamfuna yebo noma? Unomfundo then says, cha, how? Unomalanga then says, phela indlela oziphatha ngayo wenza ingathi uyamfuna. Unomfundo then says, emva kwalento eyenzeke noVusi, cha, angisangane ekhanda. Yikuthi nje angifuna faile noma egcine eshonile or egcine eboshiwe. Unomalanga then says, uqinisekile yilokho kuphela. Unomfundo then says, mawuqhubeka ukungibuza lowo mbhedo uzogcina uyaweda esikolweni. Unomalanga then says, okay, ke smiling. Unomfundo then says, asambe. And then the scene ends that way. Guys, sometimes yazi, listen, I was also not for Unomfundo being worried about what uSpha is doing with his life. But sometimes, guys, we all need that one person who's going to push through boundaries and barriers to get through to us. And I think uSpha means that, or else he's going to end up being a para. Anyway, ekliniki, guys, kuyasetyenzwa laphayana. Uphindile then says to the patients, abazolandela yilaba engizobabiza. Ngobo khululiwe. Thulani madlala, as she's busy calling people there. uSfiso walks into the clinic with his colleague, Officer Dlamini, and they are walking in with Ipara. uSfiso then says, Sanbona. Uthando is standing next to Uphindile. She then says, Sanbona bhuti, singanisiza ngani? uSfiso then says, we've brought this man in. Udakile yi-razor ezama ukusibaleka. Thando then says, yo, Jesu. Yo, bengisaqala ungilandele bhuti, size ngalana. The security takes the para guys and then they follow uNurse Thando. uSfiso then says ku Officer Dlamini, angazi ukuthi ebebalekelani ngoba we already had him. uDlamini then says, hey, uqale nini ukusebenza kulo mkhakha wena? Wake wasibona isigebengu silinde amaphoyisa wena. uZethu walks in, she sees uSfiso and she walks towards the front desk. uSfiso then says, hi impela, we'll run until we get to pension age. uDlamini then says, hey. uZethu then says, sanibonani. The two officers respond and then they say, yebo. uZethu then says, singanenzelani namhlanje? uSfiso then says, hi, sekulungile. uDlamini then says, uNurse Thando just took in the guy ebesimlethile. Ungene naye, unless wonke umuntu kuleli clinic ke wants to attend to us today. uZethu then says, shuthi ke he's in Thando's capable hands. uDlamini then says, asibonge ke. But uDlamini can see ukuthi uZethu's not here for her. She's here for uSfiso because the way she keeps staring at uSfiso. uSfiso can see ukuthi uZethu is staring at him and making things awkward. He then says kuPhindile, Phindile, tshela uNurse sizolinde emotweni. uPhindile then says, alright bhuti. uSfiso looks at his colleague, he then says, kuyashisa la, asambe. She then says, kuyashisa. She looks at uSfiso, she looks at uZethu like to say, what's going on? And she's like, okay, alandele ulokuzana uSfiso, because he's already on his way out of the clinic. uZethu, shame she's left there, feeling awkward like a chicken, a lost chicken, because uSfiso did not even give her the time of day. So while uZethu's going back emuva to go and help that para guy with his wound, ungene uNomfundo clinic and afice uPhindile front desk. She then says, sawubona sis Phindile. uPhindile then says, yebo sisi kunjani? uNomfundo then says, ngiyaphila kunjani? uMaphindi then says, hayi sikhona sisi. Ngiyazi ukuthi ufuna udadewenu. Uzobona ukuthi umbhekaphi. She's here somewhere simatasa nje namhlanje. uNomfundo then says, uyaphila ngempela? Hayi amangale uPhindile. She then says, angizwanga. uNomfundo then says, ngiyazibuzela nje. uPhindile then says, yini? Khona ukuzwile ngami? Khona othe angiphilile? uNomfundo then says, cha sisiphindile. Uphindile then says, manje yindaba umbuza into engayizwa nje. uNomfundo then says, yikuthi unjani uSipha? Uphindile then says, kwenze njani Nomfundo? uNomfundo then says, ngicela ukuthi ungadinwa sisiphindile. Uphindile then says, Nomfundo khuluma wenze njani? uNomfundo then says, uSipha kade wagcina esikolweni. Uphindile then says, uyadoja esikolweni. uNomfundo then says, ngizamile ukukhuluma nayo kodwa akalaleli muntu. Uphindile then says, uthini ngempela kumina? uNomfundo then says, ngimbone niya uMakhumalo store. Uphindile then says, enzani? uNomfundo then says, ehleli na. Uphindile then says, labafana bahlala esitolo. uNomfundo then says, yebo, they were smoking. Uphindile then says, uyabona lo mnganakho uzongicasula nje, ayikho into engamenzeli yona uSipha Mandla. uNomfundo then says, ngiyaxolisa. Uphindile then says, ayikho into engamenzeli yona. uNomfundo then says, ngiyaxolisa sisiphindile bemfuna ukuthi. Uphindile then says, which store is he at right now? uNomfundo then says, kwaMakhumalo. Uphindile then says, Mwa. She takes her bag, guys, and she heads out. Uphindile said it was full at the clinic, but listen, she doesn't even feel the need ukuthi to report to umphathi wakhe that she's leaving. But I guess, guys, when you have a child and you're under stress, maybe this is how you act. Anyway, next scene, uMangobo is in uZethu's office, and listen, uZethu's not okay. Mangobo then says, Lutho, chaza phela Tutu, uye kuyena bese. uZethu then says, ngiye kuyena ngathi ngicela ukumsiza, wathi cha. Mangobo then says, bese. uZethu then says, bese lutho. Mangobo then says, that's impossible. Kushuthi umbuzela ubala lana. uZethu then says, mngani, it was almost as if I meant nothing to him. Mangobo then says, what were you hoping for? Hayi, musubheka phansi. Angithi wena ubungubandashisa, ungazazi. Wawucabanga ukuthi indoda izokulandela kuze kuyofika nini? uZethu then says, ngenze njani ke? Mangobo then says, wena ufisa ukwenza njani? uZethu then says, angazi. Mangobo then says, that means you should stay far away from him ke? uZethu then says, but what do I do now? Mangobo then says, angithi uyasho nawe that you don't know what you want. Asikho ke isidingo sokulokho ugqilaza indoda nge-frustration. How long will you keep this up? uZethu then says, mngani lento ayikho lula. uMangobo then says, ngobani? Ngoba nakho enomkakhe. uZethu then says, vele unomkakhe. uMangobo then says, miyeke. uZethu then says, kanti yini vele ngawe? uMangobo then says, no, mina ngikhathele ngawe Zethu. I'm tired of you always putting other people's needs before yours. Angithi yamthanda uSifiso. And then uZethu keeps quiet. Next scene, guys, uSipha is playing ama-dice nabangani bakhe. Uphindile, guys, catches him red-handed. Uphindile then says, wesipha Mandla, umthetho wakho ungenelwe yini wena? Wazalana. He limps over. Uphindile then says, ungenelwe yini? Ufunani lana? Ngiyakhuluma. uSipha then says, hawu ma, wenze njani manje? Angazi ukhuluma ngani. Uphindile then says, ngizokuhlasa ngempama mpanami ezokundizisa uyoqathakela usuthu ngiyamtshela. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Why aren't you esikolweni? uSipha then says, hawu ma, uthathaphi lokho? Because I just got back from school. Uphindile then says, abangani bakho laba abathi ababoni esikolweni bayasangana ini? Bazimpuphuthi? Noma usufuna ukuba yiphara ufane nalezi ngane lezi? Do you want to go around stealing your parents' spoons and selling them? uSipha then says, ma kanti yini inkinga yakho? Sukela nini kuyinkinga manje ukuzimela esitolo namajita? Uphindile then says, awuzwe nje, unika nalento enibhemayo lana. Usufuna uba yisehluleki njengoyihlo? uSipha then says, yena lo wangitshela ukuthi sewashona. Uphindile then says, angizwanga. uSipha then says, kahle ma, uzimisela ukungitshela nini ukuthi ubani ubaba wami? Uphindile then says, bese wenzani ngalokho wena? uSipha then says, ezinye ingane, they know their fathers. Zi-right emakhanda, ziyaphila. Mina njengamanje nginjani? Uphindile then says, ekhaya. Ngithe ekhaya. uSipha then says, shuthi lo mbuzo, I'll never get an answer. Uphindile then says, ngithe ekhaya njengamanje. She takes her bag, she starts hitting him. uSipha then says, noba ungangishaya, kodwa iqiniso uyalazi. Uphindile then says, ngiyakhuluma uyaphendula. The boys there, guys, are busy laughing at uSipha, and the scene just ends like that. Last scene, uSifiso's van is parked somewhere. He is chilling in his van, guys, busy scrolling, I don't know, on social media, but he's on his phone. UZethu approaches the van, guys, windini. She then says, "Sawubona." uSifiso looks at her, he looks back at his phone and is like, UZethu then says, "Singakhuluma." uSifiso then says, "Cha." That time he's pressing his phone. UZethu then says, "Ngiyakucela Sifiso." He looks at her, he then says, "Busy." She then walks off. As she's walking off, she pauses, like to say, no, I'm not going to allow myself to lose this man, Jeganjalo. She turns back, guys. She then says, okay, kulungile. Ufuna ngikusho angithi, ndizokusho-ke. Ngiyakuthanda Sifiso Khubeka. Ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ngiyakuthanda. I would die for you. Ebusuku angilali ngicabanga wena. I think about you morning, day and night. Ngiyakuthanda. Nakho-ke sengishilo. uSifiso then says, "Usho ukuthini?" She then says, "He?" uSifiso then says, "Ngiyadideka manje. Uthi usushilo. Ukhuluma ngani? Uthini?" UZethu then says, "Okay-ke. Ufuna ukubuyisa ngami, ungenzi slima." Okay, fine. She walks off. As she's walking off, uSifiso quickly jumps out the car. You can see ukuthi, guys, uyazifela ngoZethu. He is not, even though he's acting fed up, he's not fed up. He quickly jumps out. He then says, "Ima mangwane." She stops. He then says, "Awuphinde futhi lento ubuyisho." That time their eyes are locked in, they staring at one another. UZethu then says, "Ngithe ngiyakuthanda." He leans in and kisses her, you guys. He then says, "Nam ngiyakuthanda." She then leans in and kisses him, and the scene just ends like that. Guys, I'm amazed. Uguti, you know what? These people, the way they do their things in public, and this is a small village. I'm surprised Umakwanyane has not heard anything as yet. Anyway, let's pause it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.